I would like to welcome everyone to my YouTube channel, Camera and Film Tips, where we will look at yesterday's film cameras and today's film photography and the ability to take great pictures in black and white with these film cameras of the past. Let's get to it. I'm Dennis and enjoy film photography. Right at this time, I only use black and white film for my photography. My camera of choice, I have to say, not any particular one, as I really like using all different brands, models, and sizes of cameras. Why? It is simple. I like to see what these cameras can do still today, producing quality pictures. With this, we will be looking at many different cameras and hopefully using and taking some great pictures. If I had to pick a favorite film format, I guess I would be using 120 combined with just about any medium format camera. Now, if you want to say most fun, then for me, I would go with 4x5 film format. When it comes to walking around camera, sure, can't beat a 35mm. We will be taking a look at cameras that use all these different film formats. Some, let's say, real conventional cameras, and there will be some of those that I will say much less conventional. We cannot discuss cameras and film without some way to look at the pictures or scan negatives into our computers. So we will definitely be talking about home film development and how simple it is for black and white film. Did I mention it's much cheaper doing it yourself also? This is just a very rough overview of what is planned here at Camera and Film Tips, as we will look at easy repairs, photography tips, and so much more. Maybe take a moment now and click that subscribe button in the lower right hand corner and click on the bell, and so you'll be notified the next video hits YouTube. I think the channel will have something for everyone. We can keep things interesting with sharing through comments, and this way we can also expand our knowledge. I will keep pretty much to the basics, as I am not a professional of any kind. I am just an avid film camera fan. So if you have a camera laying around the house someplace that belonged to your parents or your grandparents, get it out and we will get you taking pictures with it. No camera, start shopping around at flea markets, garage sales, or maybe eBay. Another place is estate sales are great for finding vintage cameras. We will at some point talk about what to look for when buying one of these vintage cameras and lenses. Camera and film tips would be for men and women, young and old. Those that are using film cameras now and those that would like to start. No matter what, I hope the channel will inspire to shoot more film or begin shooting film cameras. I am sure you will find something interesting in every video. I wanted this video to give you an idea what the channel is all about, and I hope I'm leaving you with a good description. It is impossible to touch on everything, so remember to subscribe, and the best thing you can do is to leave comments. It might be a question or add to, explain something I missed, but comments can be much a learning tool as the video itself. Well, it's time to end here and get to the fun and interesting videos. Grab a camera, some film, and head out and shoot some pictures. I'll see you in the next video.